So this is the new Carlinkit 5.0, also known as Carlinkit 2air. It is a wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto adapter in one. The Carlinkit 5.0 wireless adapter enables you to wirelessly connect your car's existing wired Apple CarPlay or wired Android Auto infotainment system, allowing you to conveniently access all your preferred maps, media, and messaging apps in your car's display through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. It's very easy to connect. You do not need any wire. Just connect it to your phone's Bluetooth and then you go.